Hello, Assalamualaikum. I'm Sajid. I'm back again with my new video. In this video, I'm going to cover Java date and time. So, actually, in Java, we don't have any built-in date class. But if we need to access date and time, what we can do, we can access it through java.time package. So this package includes many date and time classes like local time, local date, local date time, date time formatter. So we will look at these classes below and try to print out local date, local time, local date time, and try to format it. So okay, so display current date. So for this purpose, to display current date, import java.time.localDate class and use its now method. Okay, so let's go to code. Okay, import java.time.localDate. This class. Then we create a date object. Local date my object is equal to local date.now. This method helps us to create object and then display the current date. We are simply printing this my object and it print out today's date, and today is 9th of July 2022. So this is how we can know the current date with the help of this code. Okay, let's move to next part. Display current time. So the current time can be displayed with the help of LocalTime method, class. So here we go. We have imported java.time.localTime, and we have created object of my object of local time by using now method, and then we have printed, and we got the time, which is right now is evening, and it's like 19 hours 47 minutes, and these are seconds, and further we have it's more detail, more precise time, but okay, fine. So let's move forward. Let's go to next part in this video. Okay, now we are displaying current date and time together. So what we can do, we can use local date time class we are importing, and we are creating an object and printing it. So let's try this code as well. We are running it. So here we have 9th of July 2027. Then there's a capital T. It's actually doing what? It's separating it and separating time and date. Okay, and then at the last we will see how to format date and time. The T in the example above is used to separate date from the time. You can use DateTimeFormatter class with the off-pattern method in the same package to format or parse date time objects. The following example will remove both the T and nanoseconds from the date time. Okay, we have now imported time and local date time. Import the local date time class. Then we have date time formatted class. We have imported these two classes. Then in the main method, we are creating my date object and date time object, and I am printing it, and I'm calling it before formatting. Then date time, I'm making an object of date time formatter and giving an and I'm giving it the format I need. Like I need days, months, year, hour, minute, and second. So when I am taking like formatting using my date object and my format object, it gives me a string of the this format of time and date, and after formatting, this will show us in the new format. Okay, let's run the code again and see what does it tell us. So before formatting, it shows like nanoseconds and t separator between time and date. Now it's been removed and time is now in seconds. So this is how we can format the date and time using what? DateTimeFormatter class from java.time.format package. Okay, further what we have, the off pattern method accepts all sort of values if you want to display the date and time in different format. For example, like if you want, these are examples, and for example, if you want the day as like Sunday or Monday, like this way, this can also do that. Let's try this. Okay, see here it has formatted July Saturday 9th 2022. So okay, so let's wrap up our video here. I hope this has been informative for you. Now you know how to access to local current date and time, and even date and time together as a string, or and change the format as per your requirement. So guys, I'll be back with another video. If you have any question, you can ask me, and please share, subscribe to my channel, share my videos, and like if this been beneficial for you. Take care, bye bye.